this episode, the 10 most endangered animals in the world. As always, we have a very special guest, so make sure you watch until the end. Number 10. The hawksbill sea turtle. The hawksbill sea turtle is critically endangered primarily due to habitat loss and poaching. Its population has significantly declined worldwide to approximately 22,000 individuals. Number 9. The Sumatran orangutan. The Sumatran orangutan is critically endangered due to habitat loss caused by deforestation and illegal hunting. Its population is estimated to be fewer than 14,600 individuals. Number 8. The black rhino. The black rhino is critically endangered also due to poaching and habitat loss. Its population has declined significantly, and it is currently estimated to be around 5,000 individuals. Number 7. The mountain gorilla. The mountain gorilla is critically endangered and is found in the Virunga Mountains in Africa. Conservation efforts have helped increase its population to around 1,000 individuals. Number 6. The Sumatran tiger. The numbers of the Sumatran tiger are declining fast. It is also endangered due to habitat loss and poaching. It is estimated that fewer than 400 individuals remain in the wild. Number 5. The Cross River gorilla. The Cross River gorilla is critically endangered and is found in the forested mountainous regions of Cameroon and Nigeria. Its population is estimated to be fewer than 300 individuals. Number 4. The Ama leopard. With fewer than 100 individuals remaining in the wild, the Ama leopard is going fast toward total extinction. It is found in the Russian Far East and Northeast China. Number 3. The Jovan rhinoceros. The Jovan rhinoceros has become one of the rarest large mammals on Earth. It is found in Java, Indonesia, and is estimated to have a population of fewer than 80 individuals. Number 2. The vaquita. The vaquita is a small porpoise found in the Gulf of California. It is critically endangered, primarily due to bycatch and fishing nets. There are fewer than 10 individuals remaining. Number 1. Man-bear pig. Al Gore claimed man-bear pig was real for years, and he was being super serial. Facing skepticism, eventually he was proven right, teaching us the importance of open-mindedness. Number 1. The Yangtze River dolphin. The Yangtze River dolphin is possibly functionally extinct. It was native to the Yangtze River in China. Eyewitnesses and fishermen still claim to have spotted the dolphin. What would you like to see next? Comment below. Leave a like. Subscribe and make sure you tune in for the next episode. If you don't tune in for the next episode, my happiness will become critically endangered.